Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many are calling the best diamond painting kit on the market. The LANDFAIR Diamond Painting Kit featuring the iconic Big Ben in London. If you're a fan of arts and crafts or looking for a relaxing hobby that brings out your creative side, this kit might just be what you need. So let's explore everything this kit has to offer. The LANDFAIR Diamond Painting Kit measures 15 by 20 inches, making it a perfect size for displaying in your home once completed. This kit includes round full drill diamonds, a popular choice among diamond painting enthusiasts. The round diamonds not only make the application process easier but also provide a stunning, sparkling finish that really brings the artwork to life. One of the standout features of this kit is the impressive array of colors it offers. With 35 different diamond colors included, you can achieve amazing detail and depth in your artwork. This variety allows for a more vivid representation of the Big Ben, ensuring that each section of the painting pops with color. But it's not just about the diamonds. The quality of the canvas is equally important. The LANDFAIR kit uses a durable canvas cloth, designed to withstand the rigors of the diamond painting process. The canvas has excellent glue adhesion, ensuring that the diamonds stick firmly, and you don't have to worry about any pieces falling off once you've completed your masterpiece. What's more, this kit is not just for experienced crafters. It's perfect for beginners too. The straightforward instructions guide you through each step, making it easy for anyone to create beautiful art. Plus, working on a project like this can be a wonderful way to spend quality time with family or friends, creating not just a painting but lasting memories. And if you ever have questions or concerns, LANDFAIR's customer service is there to help. They truly value each customer and are dedicated to providing an enjoyable crafting experience. Whether you're using it as a personal project, a gift for a loved one, or even as a way to decorate your home, the LANDFAIR Diamond Painting Kit is designed to deliver. In conclusion, if you're looking for an engaging hobby that results in stunning artwork, look no further than the LANDFAIR Diamond Painting Kit featuring Big Ben. Its combination of quality, ease of use, and vibrant colors makes it stand out as one of the best diamond painting kits available. Thank you for watching this review on Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more product reviews and tips. Happy crafting, and see you in the next video.